5 seconds to go. Start. Notably, when the version put forth by the interested witnesses comes under a shadow of doubt, the rule of prudence demands that the independent public witnesses must be examined and corroborating material must be gathered. More so when public witnesses were readily available and the offence has not taken place in the bounds of closed walls. Pertinently, the conduct of the eyewitnesses also appears to be unnatural considering that they were all relatives of the deceased. Firstly, PW18 did not try to prevent the abduction. Even if it is believed that he was held against a pistol, the statement regarding the existence of pistol comes as an improvement from his first information given to the police as already noted above. Nonetheless, it is admitted that PW2, PW4 and PW5 came in a jeep and they saw the accused persons living with Neelam after abducting her. It is also admitted that they had identified the accused persons who were essentially the relatives of the eyewitnesses. In such circumstances, as per natural human conduct, the least that they could have done was to follow the accused persons in their jeep. They admittedly had a ready vehicle with them. Despite so, there was no such attempt on their part, so much so that the dead body of Neelam was not even discovered until the following morning, as none of the eyewitnesses had any clue as to where the accused persons had taken away the deceased after abducting her. One crucial foundational fact in the present case is that the deceased was residing in her father's house at Simaltala. Although the trial court and high court have not doubted the said fact, we have our reservations regarding the same. In addition to the statements of PW18 informant, PW23 sister of deceased, and PW7 maternal uncle of deceased, no other witness has deposed to prove the factum of residence. The admitted evidence on record sufficiently indicates that various other tenants were residing in the same house, including Kumud Ranjan Singh, education officer Ram Chabila Singh, along with his daughter and son. The investigating officer PW21 had inspected the house and no direct material except some makeup articles could be gathered so as to indicate that Neelam was actually residing there. Admittedly, another woman, namely Chando Devi, sister of Ram Chabila Singh, was also residing in the same portion of the house. The High Court did take note of this fact but explained it away by observing that since Chando Devi was a widow, the makeup articles could not have belonged to her as there was no need for her to put on makeup being a widow. In our opinion, the observation of the High Court is not only legally untenable but also highly objectionable. A sweeping observation of this nature is not commensurate with the sensitivity and neutrality expected from a court of law, specifically when the same is not made out from any evidence on record. Stop.